So it is 4:01 p.m., June 18, 2019. And here is the reading. I just posted a video. And look at the reading: 1,500, 1,100, 800. And I'm feeling slightly nauseous suddenly because my ear is also being hit really hard right now. 1,100. Just a little funny incident just happened. I just got a call from somebody with an unlisted number, and he asked for a pizza. So I asked him, where did he get my number? He said he Googled it. First of all, I asked him what the number was that he called, and he said my number, and I asked where he got it. He said he Googled it. He got it in Canada, he said. Sounded like somebody with an Indian accent. So if I'm registered as a prostitute, then my name is probably on all sorts of funny sites, put there by pimps, because this is what I'm being harassed with outside the window. So the power is turned up as soon as I posted the video. So I'm suddenly feeling slightly nauseous. Now I'm going to take the pressure. So I'm told that people are picking names off a list, and I'm flagged and my name is back on the list as somebody picked me. And there was an Indian family or Sri Lankan in the loading dock just now having very, very long conversations about piggybacking on a report. And a woman is reactivated, and along the lines of the contents of the report, from what I am gathering. I'm putting pieces of the puzzle together here, because part of this game, quote unquote, is to drop hints and terrorize you with the hints as to what the intention of the agenda is, because it is about terrorization. 120/75 and 89 heart rate. So the one before that was 109/74 and 99 heart rate. So there's a huge jump. So I'm in pain. So I'm going to take it one more time. The chest, the obliques, and this is why I'm getting heartburn, because the power is turned up on my chest and it's intermittent, and every single time I get heartburn-like symptoms, the alarm goes off and the reading skyrockets 2,000 on this detector. And my skin burns as well. The surface of the skin burns. So I know it's not heartburn. And once I shield myself and the detector doesn't detect signals, under the shield, and my body's under the shield, the heartburn completely goes away. That's how I know it's not heartburn. 109/76, 100 heart rate. So drop, a sudden drop. Now I didn't feel a palpitation that time.